Hi everyone, my name is Z and I am a student from Malaysia currently studying at Cardiff University, and I study computer science. And today I'm excited to share with you a project that I've been working on, which is the IMDb Top 250 Movie Scraper. And this project was obviously built with Python, along with using the modulars such as requests, BeautifulSoup, JSON, and pandas. And these modulars are amazing because they help me learn how to extract and organize information about the top 250 movies on IMDb. So this includes the titles, runtimes, ratings, and yeah, let's just jump into it and I'll show you how it works. So yeah, first of all, let's take a look at the scraper itself. It begins by sending a request to the scraper itself, and it begins sending a request to the IMDb's movie page and fetching the raw HTML content. And using BeautifulSoup, the HTML is parsed to extract relevant movie information such as the title, runtime, and rating. So in this part of the code, we're extracting the movie's data from the structured JSON embedded in the web page. For example, we retrieve the movie title under the name field, and there are also aspects such as the runtime. We extract the information for the runtime, but we replace the PT prefix and lower all capitals just to make it more readable. And when the script runs, it processes all the data and stores it in a CSV file. And if I run the program, it should create a CSV. So as you can see here, the output shows all 250 movies, which is perfect, and it also creates a IMDb top 250 movies.csv. And coming into the page, you can see that it's neatly organized into rank, name, runtime, and rating, and all 250 movies from the charts are here, neatly organized and ready to put into a spreadsheet for further research. And yeah, working on this project has been great, a great way to practice web scraping and organizing structured data in Python. And if you're interested in trying out yourself, this code is available on my GitHub, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this code. And it was genuinely a challenging project, but I loved it and I learned a lot and hope to tackle more of these. And I also have a test project.py, which allows me to just verify whether if my functions from my project.py actually work. And if I run the PyTest, all three pass. And here's my requirement.txt. Thank you so much.